Glowforge just did its first major update to its user interface in a really long time, so let's jump in and check it out because it's kind of different. Okay, so Glowforge has done a pretty massive update to their user interface. Now, this is like the first major update that they have done, and I honestly, personally don't really like it. Let me know down below if you like this new design or if you don't. So when you go to app.glowforge.com, over here in the top right, there is a little new icon where you can click it and it will tell you everything that's new and the new features that they've added. One thing I am really looking forward to is this new smart folders option. It's going to be awesome to organize because I don't know about you, but I have specific things for my Etsy orders and commissions and just personal projects, and so it'll be really nice to finally be able to sort them out so I don't have to look for each design every time. So right at the top of the page, there is a banner, which I think changes every so often because when I logged on earlier, it was a thing about some Apple earrings with the education kind of thing that they're pushing. And right under the banner here is this recommendation for you, which is a catalog of their premium designs. Now, I totally get why Glowforge went this route. They're trying to push the designs that they sell. However, to me, it is a little bit annoying because previously when you would go to app.glowforge.com, that stuff would kind of be on the side and then your designs would just automatically show up on the homepage. So now in order to get to your designs, you can either go to right underneath the recommended for you where it says recent designs and view all, or you can come over here to the left side underneath home where it says my designs, and then it will show you all your different designs that you have, and you can sort in a couple different ways. I typically leave mine sorted as the last date that I opened, so you can change that over here on the right. Over here on the left is the create new design or upload a file or trace. Previously that was in the middle, and then you can search designs, which is always nice. And over here we have the smart folder option, which is super cool. So if you click on it right now, it's going to have kind of curated folders for the different premium items that they do sell. So in the art and decor sections, there are all of these different files that you can buy. Up here, I do have quite a few of the Glowforge catalog items for free. Besides this paper one, because I have been using the Glowforge since the Kickstarter, and at the beginning for waiting so long, these are some of the files that they gave for free. Now, one thing that is super awesome is if you click these three little dots, you can hide or reorder these folders. So if I want, I can hide that one, I can hide this one. You can hide all of them if you want, but you don't have to. And down here on the bottom underneath, you can click organize, and so you can unhide those, or you can change the order. And then you can click finish organizing, or we can make a new folder, and I'll title this one Etsy. And then you can change the icon, which is pretty cool. I'll just choose this little present. So what's really cool about this folder is all I have to do is click and drag my design, and I can drop it into a folder. And as you can see, I've dropped my pronoun file into my Etsy folder because this is one of the files that I use with my Etsy orders. So it's a pretty cool design feature and I like it, and I'm very excited to see what else Glowforge is going to add to this and how it's going to change over time. I do have to say though, I'm not a fan of how it's kind of going the route of Cricut, where it's showing you like the premium files first and then shows you your designs and whatnot. And then underneath it's saying the most popular designs of the month. Obviously, it's their software and they can do whatever they want, so it makes sense for them to push their products that they sell. So let me know down below, do you like this new design or do you wish it had stayed the same? Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down below if it helped or if you like this new change or if you don't like it. And let me know if you have any questions about this or any of the features that have been changed for this update. Thanks for watching guys, see ya!